Yo, we're back with another attempt at a video because the last two that I recorded, for some reason, are corrupt and will not upload. I don't know what's going on with them. It's quite annoying because now this is happening on my phone. So, yeah. But, I don't even know what I'm gonna really talk about or anything because I already did the unboxing and stuff. So it's not really like I can unbox it again. I could just show you guys what I got. But, yeah, the light's decent enough in here. Let me put something to... Alright, cool. So, I picked up a carbon fiber Varus style Eurowing. So, it's carbon fiber. It has, like, the drop sides, and I'll put a picture of what it looks like onto the car. Then it also came with some machined aluminum brackets. I was actually going to buy this wing in a couple months for like $600, and it takes like a couple months to ship. Somebody happens to have already purchased one, and this one comes with mounts, so that's perfect. So I'm all set with that. Then I also have the carbon fiber side skirts. Boom, as you guys can see, carbon everything. And then I also have these two diffusers. I'm most likely not going to use this one unless I just use the centerpiece. But this is a spoon style diffuser, which is what I'm probably going to try and put on the M3 and see if it works. If it does, I'm going to take it off. And then if I don't do it, I'm most likely going to try it myself to get it wrapped in do a layer of carbon over it. If not, I'll send it to one of my boys. He does it, and I'm pretty sure you can get the turnaround time to be done pretty quick, so I can probably get that done in like a week. But yeah, the thing about this is that the wing will overpower the bottom of the car, seeing as though I don't have any like aero down there for like the rear diffuser and stuff like that. Because if you guys remember from the other video, I bought a diffuser, and it happened to be for a sedan. So I don't know if I'd even ever be able to get this thing to work, because I really done cut the crap out of it and stuff. But if anything, I can probably just like literally, yeah, but it doesn't even really come up high enough and anything like that, so I'm probably not going to be able to use it at all. But who knows, I can try to like trim more and see if it'll fit. But if any, I'm just most likely gonna have to buy what do you call it, what's the word, a coupe one, because this one, it's most likely not gonna work. So I'll probably post this thing up for sale for like $100 shipped, and just let them know that it's trimmed, because you won't really see it because it sticks under the car like this, so you won't really see the parts that's cut. So I'll probably just list that up for sale now. But yeah, I have a whole bunch of carbon stuff and a whole bunch of aero that needs to get put on, and it will get put on. Hopefully I can put them on this week. Then if I can, the car will be looking super cool. But if you're wondering where the car is, I don't know if I put it in the last episode or if I mentioned it in one of the last videos that got corrupted. But the car is getting the AC fixed, the smaller pulley, and the methanol injection. So we have a lot of videos to make, including, I'll update you guys on H2OI. As far as I know, I'm going to H2O, because that's going to most likely be my birthday trip again. If not, then I'll decide something and go somewhere else. But as of right now, I'm going to H2O. So with that being said, I'm trying to get the car ready for that, and I have like 2 or 3 shows in between, so I want to have everything on the car done. And you know, I also want to do some supercar hunting and stuff like that, so you know, that'll be pretty good. I have a lot of content to make, and it'll be great if I can do it. But you know, finding supercars is pretty hard for some strange reason, and I don't know anybody personally who owns one, so that's kind of annoying. But yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. Because a couple of my boys, their cars are going to be done and their cars are going to get tuned. And then that's also another video that I have to try and upload, because I'm hoping that that one didn't get corrupted. But I do have some dyno footage of another car because one of my boys' cars broke. But you guys will be getting all that information in another video. But yeah, this is kind of a rambly video because the car hopefully is going to be done today. It should be done today because all he has to do is drill a thing in the plenum, connect the meth tube on, test it, and it's good to go. So yeah, hopefully I'll pick up my car today. But yeah, there's really nothing much to say. I'm just trying to see if a video can get uploaded so I can update you guys, and then the rest of the week you guys will get a whole bunch of content, because I've been trying to upload all weekend and it has not been working. Well, the videos that I shot have not been working because they're corrupt. Not uploading is not working, because I did test the upload and it did work. But yeah, I have a couple videos that cannot be uploaded, and it's kind of unfortunate because they were pretty funny. The unboxing video, dyno video, and yeah, but I do have some more dyno footage and stuff like that that I'll try to put together and throw in another video. I'll probably double upload today, but yeah, thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Sorry this video is kind of stupid and pointless, but you guys did see a couple things and all my carbon goodies. But yeah, I really hope I get this thing to work. And also, before I let you guys go, most likely I'm considering lowering this car, because the suspension is stock. Like, I mean, it's still the OEM suspension that they got from the factory, and it's about 60,000 miles on it. So what I'm considering doing is us buying new shocks and struts, but also lowering springs. Would look pretty cool lowered. And then I'm also, my dad does not want to lower his truck, but I have convinced him to buy some wheels. I'll show you a picture of one of them on wheels. I sent him a picture and he's like, yeah, I want to do something like that. So I got him to buy some wheels. So that's my dad. He'll have an intake and he'll have some nice wheels. My mom's SUV will be lowered. So, you know, convincing my relatives to do stupid stuff. I'm trying to get my cousin to put an intake and muffler delete on his car. And yeah, you guys will see it. I have a whole bunch of stuff coming, but yeah, alright, I'm rambling. So, like, comment, subscribe, turn the notifications on, and thanks for watching.